When you picture pigeons, you probably imagine city squares and park benches. But in China, pigeons are at the heart of a massive agricultural industry. Here, hundreds of millions of pigeons are raised for their meat every year, far from the city, on vast high-tech farms. This isn't a niche market, it's a colossal enterprise, with some farms housing hundreds of thousands of breeding pairs. China produces over 800 million pigeons annually, making it the world's leader in pigeon meat. The scale is staggering, and it shows just how important this bird is to China's economy and cuisine. Pigeon farming here is a blend of tradition and cutting-edge technology, transforming a humble city bird into a vital food source. We're about to explore this hidden world, from the hatching of a squab to its place on the dinner table. Along the way, we'll see how biology, engineering, and culture come together in one of the world's most unique farming industries. Get ready to leave the city behind and discover the surprising story of China's pigeon phenomenon. This is a side of the animal kingdom few ever see. Why pigeons? Their biology makes them perfect for farming. Pigeons breed rapidly. Each pair can produce a new set of squabs every month, far outpacing chickens or ducks. Their young are fed crop milk, a nutrient-rich secretion from both parents, giving squabs a powerful start without the need for special feeds. Pigeons are hardy, adaptable, and less prone to disease, thriving in high-density modern facilities. Their compact size means efficient use of space and resources. Squab meat is highly prized in China, tender, flavorful, and ready for market in just 25 to 30 days. This rapid turnaround makes pigeon farming both efficient and profitable. It's a perfect match of nature and agriculture, turning the humble pigeon into an agricultural superstar. That's why pigeons have become an unlikely but essential part of China's food system. Step inside a modern Chinese pigeon farm, and you'll find thousands of breeding pairs in carefully designed nesting boxes. Each pair lays 2 eggs, taking turns incubating them for about 18 days. Workers quietly monitor the birds, ensuring fresh food, water, and a clean environment. Once hatched, squabs rely on their parents' crop milk, then transition to regurgitated grains as they grow. The adult pigeons are fed a nutrient-rich mix to keep them healthy and productive. In just a few weeks, squabs grow from helpless hatchlings to nearly full-sized birds, all under the watchful eyes of both parents and farm workers. Cleanliness and calm are priorities. Regular cleaning and health checks keep disease at bay. At 25 to 30 days old, squabs reach market weight and are carefully collected from their nests. The process is gentle, minimizing stress for both young birds and their parents. The parent pigeons soon start the cycle again while the squabs move on to the next stage. It's a seamless, efficient system, nature and human care working together. Next, the squabs head to processing. Pigeon farming in China has ancient roots, but today's operations are high-tech marvels. Automated feeding and watering systems deliver precise nutrition to every breeding pair, saving labor and ensuring consistency. Climate control systems regulate temperature, humidity, and ventilation, keeping the birds comfortable year-round. Automated lighting mimics natural daylight, supporting healthy breeding cycles. Digital data management tracks each pair's productivity and health, helping farmers refine their flocks for better growth and disease resistance. Even waste management is automated. Conveyor belts remove manure, keeping barns clean and reducing disease risk. The collected manure is processed into organic fertilizer, creating a sustainable cycle. Every aspect of the farm is designed for efficiency, hygiene, and bird welfare. This blend of tradition and technology is what keeps China's pigeon industry thriving. Modern farms are a far cry from the past, clean, organized, and sustainable. It's a glimpse into the future of agriculture. When squabs reach market age, their journey continues with careful handling. Skilled workers gently collect the birds, placing them in well-ventilated crates to minimize stress. Transport to the processing facility is quick, often just next door, to keep the birds calm and the meat at its best. Vehicles are clean and designed for smooth travel, with trained drivers ensuring a gentle ride. On arrival, squabs rest in a quiet, temperature-controlled holding area to recover from the trip. This pause helps keep the meat tender and blemish-free. Before processing, veterinarians inspect the birds for health and quality. Only the best squabs move forward, ensuring a premium product. Every step is about animal welfare and quality control. The stage is set for the transformation from farm to food. Inside the processing plant, efficiency and hygiene are paramount. Workers in protective gear keep the environment spotless, with constant cleaning and sterilization. Humane slaughter methods are used, meeting strict national standards. Birds are scalded and plucked by machine, with final touches done by hand for a perfect finish. Evisceration is precise, with organs like liver and gizzards saved for culinary use. Multiple quality checks ensure only flawless birds continue down the line. Rapid chilling locks in freshness and prevents bacterial growth. Vacuum-sealed packaging extends shelf life and protects the meat. Each package is labeled with traceability codes, linking it back to the farm. This rigorous process guarantees safety, quality, and accountability. The result: premium pigeon meat ready for kitchens and restaurants. Pigeon meat, or squab, is prized for more than just its taste. It's packed with protein, more than chicken, and loaded with iron, giving it a rich, dark color. Iron is vital for energy and preventing anemia, making pigeon soup a go-to for recovery and new mothers. The meat is also rich in B vitamins, supporting metabolism and a healthy nervous system. Despite its richness, pigeon meat is moderately fatty, offering flavor without excess. This nutritional powerhouse has been respected in Chinese cuisine for centuries. It's a food that nourishes as much as it delights. That's why pigeon holds a special place at the table, and in tradition. It's more than a delicacy. It's a symbol of health and vitality. In China, eating pigeon is a celebration of culture and tradition. Signature dishes like crispy-skinned roasted pigeon are centerpieces at banquets and weddings, especially in southern China. Pigeon soup is a staple for healing and postpartum care, believed to restore strength and energy. This culinary tradition supports a vast industry, providing livelihoods for hundreds of thousands. In rural areas, pigeon farming is a path out of poverty, a true white gold. The bird's economic and cultural value ensures the tradition thrives and evolves. Sharing pigeon meat connects families to their heritage and to each other. It's a dish that carries history, meaning, and pride. We've journeyed from high-tech farms to the dinner table, uncovering the science, tradition, and care behind China's pigeon industry. We've seen how a humble bird became a cornerstone of cuisine and community. From rapid breeding to meticulous processing, every step is about quality and respect. Pigeon meat is more than food. It's a story of innovation, culture, and nourishment. So, after seeing the care and tradition behind every bite, would you give it a go? The next chapter in this story could be yours.